Say Kachapuri.
Makalakad mamaya, lasing ka. Nalasing nga din ako sa Korea. Alas 12 ng tawag. Wala naman kasi yan dito.
We taste now all the wines, and whatever you like, you just remember the numbers, the can number, and that's it. You get the same when you come here. You ask, I want this number, and that's it. Very big.
Name of our company is Kakheti, and that means Kakheti traditional winemaking. Our company was established in 2001 year. It's new company, but the most big and successful company in our country. And here in this factory, we are not making wine. Here we just saving, producing, and bottling. We have different factories, different sites of Georgia. In that factories, we're making wine and then making here ready wine for storage and for bottling. And then this long building we have bottling factory, and in front of us we have factory for saving. We have different relaxing sites here with serving wine, and we are going to taste wine from this big building from Kakheti. They're called Kakheti.
Where are you going?
Going to drink wine.
Taste lang, hindi din.
Sorry. We're gonna taste the wine.
Okay. So tell us which one is the best wine.
Yeah.
How's the taste, Tita?
Totally sweet. Ooh,
How is it?
sweet, delicious, and so cold. Taste it.
How is it, ma'am?
Masarap.
No, if you're not interested, it's okay. It's okay for me.
She's now disappointed because you are not listening.
No, I'm not.
She's giving.
Don't worry.
Someone is paying for this.
It's okay. If you're not interested, I will not tell you about it.
You have to listen. This is the best wine.
Yeah, it's very light, very enjoy.
Oo, light lang kasi siya.
Dark, like naturally pink wine. And because of this, we have two types wine from this grape. Flavor is like a green apple, and this one is like a sparkling wine. You can feel natural bubbles inside, but we are not adding none. We can start to taste our red wines. And our red wine.
Ano lasa?
Dry.
Dry.
Yes.
Dry?
Yes.
Anong lasa? Ay, parang tubig lang, Tita.
Mas mataas.
Parang
yan na.
Alam si Tita nakakailan.
And in Georgia, so limited edition we have. So very rare wine, you are tasting now called Manchkara. Very sweet. And quite expensive, yes.
Ay, quite expensive daw. Ay, dito tayo. Make it, ano, puri.
Stalin was drinking this one and after shooting the people.
My gosh, shooting the people.
Okay, Tita. How is it?
Let me taste this.
Anong lasa? Anong lasa, Tito?
It's good. This is good. But I don't know, you said it's expensive.
Expensive? Wow.
This one is expensive, right?
Magazin Manchkara. Arundat Manchkara. Aparat olmayan tundat. Mauçit çöp faktörde sen damada bana kadar.
Dry wine, you like semi-sweet.
Okay.
Nakailan ka na, Tito?
Nakatatlo na. Natandaan ko 36 tsaka 30.
Istanbul is very popular wine not only in Georgia, in other countries also. We have little village in Kakheti, in this region called Marawi, and just just 30 Yeah. Sometimes grape is very dark. Some ferments we have this grape.
Mas ano ata to?
Taste it again. Dito
Taste
tayo
it
sa
again.
barrel.
How is it?
Like dry, but still sweet.
Anong lasa?
So, dear guys, now actually, so from wines it's our last wine, and now we can taste Jaja. Do you want to taste Jaja? And then we can taste Cha Cha Cha. So Jaja, it's high alcohol, stronger than wine, like a vodka.
Oh,
45.
kita, cha-cha-cha na daw.
Cha-cha na ako mamaya.
Mapapachacha ka na.
Let's see.
What is that wine?
Jaja is high alcohol, stronger than wine. 45 we have alcohol content in Jaja, like a vodka.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Kita, ayan na ba yung cha-cha?
Cha-cha na.
Ano lasa ng cha-cha-cha?
Sarap.
Parang tubig. Parang
Sarap.
tubig.
It's like, nice.
Mapapachacha ka na.
Parang tequila. Kulang lang ng lemon.
What is that wine?
This is Chacha, hard drink, 45% alcohol. You just gonna drink one shot. Okay.
Bye-bye. So where are we going?
Bodbe Monastery. You will burn the
Kumusta ang bagong kasal?
Yan, kasal lang namin sa loob.
Parang may nag-propose kanina.
Oo, Nangungutang lang yun.
People, Kabayan in Georgia. So this one is City of Love. Why it was City of Love?
Why?
Why?
Because we are in love.
Because you are in love. Okay, very nice. Stay under my wings. It's made by our who used to come here in this place. He once he was visiting here, and one of the women, like we call it Gila women. Now this part of Turkey but belong to the Azerbaijan, so up there to the mountain. So she was sitting on the clam tree and shoot the clam to him on the head. The Roman army would cut him and be careful and kill her. How did you do this one? In front of people, huh? Like to the king. But the king asking like bring to her to me and asked like why did you do this one? Because what was the answer? Because he said that you are the king of Georgia and you are wearing the Persian hat. Why? Because he grew up as a Persian like tradition, so he was wearing always the Persian hat. He had certain people, but none of them were enough to be king.
Kachapuri. Pork barbecue.
Where is that?